How's it going? I'm Mike Karn. This is my Sunday bike check. Running ODIs, long time, good grips. Repping Animal metallic bar ends. Fall out every 5 fucking seconds. Fit Sky Highs, I think 30 with 8 rise. Fit top load stem. Kink integrated headset with some shitty ass Sabrosa stock forks. Running Ezra Amber, I think, yeah, Amber front rim with Demolition Momentum tire. I'm running some shitty ass like $8 pedals that I picked up from like the dumpster. I have Mission cranks. What the fuck do I have for a sprocket? Oh, Amber sprocket, Amber half link chain, Coalition seat. Pretty sure it's a Hoffman seat post with some shitty ass seat post holder. Doesn't really matter what it is. I have some random ass bottom bracket. Don't know what it is. Mission pegs front and back. I wouldn't suggest them. They're like bending. I have a Primo hub guard. It's holding up. I like it. Have the Amber back rim as well. Tom White wall tire. And for the frame, it's a 2012 Aaron Ross. I think it's a 21 inch. Repping Erde, Planet Fitness, you know. And for the front hub guard, I had a G Sport barrier. No, right side. G Sport barrier or some shit. Snapped off. Don't get it. Sucks dick.
It was plastic.
Lifetime warranty.
Lifetime warranty sucks dick.
Holy shit.
It's my bike.